All right, YouTube. Now, you already know I love me a pre-colored wig, honey, because listen, that's just less work on my end. So today we're working with a blonde highlighted lace closure wig. So let's get into it.
Does that flat iron? Ooh. Ooh. Ew. Ew, I look like a fucking caveman. I look like the caveman from the Geico commercial.
Wait,
or whatever
this
commercial.
This kind of cute, though.
I'm not trying to like Shaka Khan or nothing. But I literally look like a caveman. I don't like this. What am I supposed to do? Does that flat iron straight?
I don't know. What is going on, guys? It's your girl Easy Breezy, and I'm back with another hair sponsor, a brand new hair sponsor at that. Thank you so much, MyShinyWig. They sent us this pretty blonde highlighted wig. It's a lace closure wig, so it can be worn glueless, and we're actually doing it glueless today. So modeling today, we have one of my best friends since 3rd grade. Okay, 3rd grade. This is nothing to play with. Raven in the building. So she's not on my channel ever because she doesn't really like wearing frontals. And you know, that's like my main thing on this channel. So once I got this wig, I was like, you know what? Raven is gonna love this because she does color every now and then, you know, but I knew that this would like push her out her comfort zone. And I knew she would love it because the highlights are this really pretty blonde, like ashy color. They're not brassy at all, and it just came out really nice. And once again, Raven is not the type to be putting glue all over her head, so we're definitely doing it glueless today. So first and foremost, I put a stocking cap on her. I didn't have to glue the stocking cap on or do the ball cap method because it's just not necessary. Now, the cap that I used is the medium brown from galaxygirlhair.com. So if you need your skin tone stocking caps, head to the website right now. All right, so after I put on the stocking cap, I wet the top of the hair with some water and I added my setting foam because I'm just gonna get straight to the molding. Now, I don't think baby hair is gonna suit her style and suit the mood, you know, that I'm going for with this wig. I just kind of want it like bedhead hair, got like girl next door. I don't want to do it up too fancy, so all we're doing is just plucking the part and then molding it. All right, everything looks nice and good and flat. Now I'm going to add our black wraps and sit her under the dryer for roughly 15 to 20 minutes. All right, let's see what this hairline talking about though. Okay, looking really natural. Okay, looking really scalpy. Okay, we didn't really have to do much to it at all. All I did was add some powder foundation to the bottom of the lace and the top, and baby, it's melted. Do you hear me? And let's talk about this color, all right? Now, this is something that I'm really thinking in my mind, like, do these factories do these highlights by hand? Because it is just too cute. So I really like the two, you know, highlights in the front. It really just brightens up her face. I'm sure like the whole wig being this blonde color probably would have been too much for her. Like it would have been like, whoa, you know? So I like the little pop of color. And listen, if y'all want these summer highlights without all the work and labor, get this wig. So even though my initial thought for this wig was bone straight, she wanted to do something more bodyful with more movement, you know? So we're cutting layers in it and we're gonna do barrel curls. All right, we're done with the pin curls and she looks so pretty even with the hair up. So let's go ahead and take these curls out and see how we're gonna mold it and sculpt it. All right, so this is one thing I will say, all right? Now, this wig did not hold the curl as good as it probably could have or should have or whatever, but you know, I really tried my best to keep it in the shape that it was in. So I was, you know, using my holding spray. I was not being stingy. And I was just doing my best to, you know, just give it a look. All right, you guys, so this is the final result, and okay, highlights. Okay. Once again, thank you so much, My Shiny Wig, for sponsoring this video. She is so goofy. If you guys want this exact unit, I'm going to put all the information in the description below. If you're not subscribed to my channel already, make sure you go ahead and do that and turn on your notifications. See y'all later.